Let's demonstrate our game. Mario and Gumballs. This is the main menu of our game. We have 4 menu options: Start, Credits, Options and Exit. Let's see the Credits menu option. We have the entire theme on this Credits page. We can go on to the main menu using the Go Back button. We have the Options, on which we have the controller setup. There are 2 sets of setup. The user can pick any set of key mapping as per his choice. Let's go back to the main menu. This main menu implements the command design pattern. Let's start the game. This is the main character of our game, Mario. He can break bricks, collect coins, and at the end, get his gumballs. There are 3 sets of coins in the game: brown coins, gold coins, and silver coins. Whenever the Mario collects any coins, the score is updated on the left corner. This is implementing the observer pattern. The Mario initially collected the bronze coins. Now he collected the silver coins. The points on each coin is different. Since each different coin implements different points on the score, this implements the decorator design pattern. These are the gold coins, being the third decorator class. Now, whenever the Mario tends to the finish line, he gets the gumballs as per the coin value he attained in the score. To depict this state design pattern, we have implemented different scenarios. This being the no coin state, when the gumball is not generated from the gumball machine, as the Mario is unable to collect any points in the game. The second state, that being the sold out state, is depicted by this scenario. When the points collected by Mario are good enough and more than 0, but there is no sufficient gumballs in the gumball machine. Another scenario that we have implemented is the sold state. Hereby, once the Mario enters the finish line and collects the gumballs from the gumball machine, he shouldn't enter again to the finish line and try to collect the coins yet again. This particular message that Mario has already collected the gumballs appears on the screen when such a scenario is observed. As you saw that the Mario entered the finish line and now he got 100 gumballs based on the points he collected in the game. This screen is achieved after he enters the finish line. Also, we can go back to playing again by using the play again button on the screen.
Now since we pressed the play again button, we are here back on the main menu. Now let's play the game again. The Mario can jump, the Mario can move forward, the Mario can move back, the Mario can head right, left in any direction. All these are implemented using the chain of responsibility design pattern. This is our complete game, the Mario and Gumballs.
This is the first pattern that was implemented in our game, that being the score observer. This part was done by Harshit. We have a subject class which is the controller. We have get coin, set coin, attach and detach observers, and also the notify observers at the function in the controller class. We have a game controller which is our concrete subject which extends the controller class. We have 2 observers in our game. First being the score console display and the second being the score screen display. Whenever our Mario collects the coins, this controller notifies our observers, which then update the score on the screen or on the console as per the observer. Command design pattern. This design pattern was implemented by Ankit. We have 3 interfaces: receiver, command and iGame controller. We have 3 classes: menu, menu command and menu item. We have 4 menu options on the main menu screen, that being the start, the exit, options and the credits. These menu items can be added using the add menu item function in the menu class. Whenever our invoker, that being the game controller, tries to access the menu item, the invoke function triggers the menu command execute function, which further triggers the receiver and which performs the do action. The state design pattern. This pattern was implemented by Ishneet. We have 4 gumball states in our game: has coin, no coin, sold, and sold out. We have a game controller which stores the coin value that are collected by the Mario. We have 4 particular functions to execute the 4 states. The default state is initially set to no coin state. If there is some coin value, then execute has coin function is executed. Further, the sold state execute sold function is executed. If there are no gumballs left in the gumball machine, then sold out state is achieved. The decorator design pattern. This design pattern was implemented by Akanksha. We have 3 different types of coins in our game: gold coin, silver coin, and brown coin. These different coins are implemented by 3 classes demonstrating the 3 decorators in our design pattern. The coin value is stored in the game controller using the total coins function from the score value. Whenever Mario collects a gold coin, the score goes up by 3 points. If a silver coin is collected by the Mario, then the score goes up by 2 points. And if a brown coin is collected by Mario, then the score goes up by 1 point. The chain of responsibility design pattern. This design pattern was implemented by Rajat. We have 5 different listener classes: backward listener, right listener, left listener, space key listener, and forward listener. There is a handle animation and set successor functions in all these classes. If a backward key is pressed, then the handle animation of backward listener is executed. Else, the set successor function sets the movement handler to the right listener. Again, if a right key was pressed, then the handle animation for this particular class will be executed. Else, set successor would set the next movement handler as left listener. Similarly, all these classes perform the chain of responsibility. This is the complete class diagram of our game. We have the main game controller class, the player class, and all the other design patterns that are used in our game. The player class accesses the game controller and all the other design patterns while executing any function in the requirements of the game. First, let's us talk about the decorator class. As explained, we have 3 deco classes: gold coin, silver coin, and brown coin. Moving forward, we have 4 gumball states: has coin, no coin, sold, and sold out state. These particular gumball states can be displayed using the display gumball result. This also uses the display observer interface. On the right, you can see we have the score display observer and the controller subject. This displays the design pattern of observer. Further, on the down right, we have the menu command design pattern. The menu item, menu, menu command, receiver, and command. This was displayed on the main menu of our game. Further, the movement is handled for the player by the backward listener and other listener classes in the movement handler explained via the chain of responsibility.